My name's Dave, and this is 509 Adventures. Today, I'm out here in Ione, Washington. Got some stuff from summertime 6 months ago. Let's get into it. Take a look at Ione. This is downtown Ione. Once a tried and true logging town, it is now a recreation hotspot with the Pend Orielle River and a few lakes nearby. The town was founded in 1896 by Elmer Hall, who opened the first post office in town. Ione was officially incorporated in January of 1910. As of the last census, the town's current population is around 450 people. Downriver Days is the town's premier event every year at the end of July. So this is Ione's old high school. It was built in 1912. I wasn't able to find any other information about this, so if anybody knows anything, shoot it in the comments. So this right here is Ione's old railroad depot, and it's home of the MPOV Lions Rail Riders. But here's the picture of the sign. You can go check out the website there, and you'll get some more information on whether or not they're doing it this year. Here's the back side of the depot, and we got the old signal light here, back side of the building, and double tracks away down. I'm guessing this is probably how they staged stuff here. So, and then the switch onto the side track over here. All right, so right here, this is a nice old building here that I guess they're using for fire training. In 1910, Frederick Blackwell opened the Panhandle Lumber Company sawmill at this location. It boasted the first all-electric sawmill in the Northwest. It ran until 1939 when the sawmill burned and was forced to close. Since then, two other itinerations of small-scale sawmills existed in this location after the Panhandle left Ione, including the remnants that you see here of the Vaughan's Mill that closed in 1995, thus ending over 80 years of service to the town of Ione. Alright, so here's a set of triples into here. That's interesting. It's got three divergence points here. One that goes off towards this building over there. There's a middle section that goes through this, by that tree right there, the little pine tree. And then the straightaway cut there that goes to that other building off of there. This is the railroad track that meets up with the main line up around the bend over here. So that's kind of neat. All right, so here's the switch. That there would move the tracks to where they would go that way into the lumber mill. It's cool to kind of see all this stuff still here. We know that this is double tracked, and it looks like the convergence is right here. So the side track ends right up here from the terminal that we visited just a bit ago. So I'm going to go up here because this looks kind of cool too. We'll check it out. So here's the switch that took us off of the side track right here. So it was mechanically ran. It just moves the rail so that you switch onto it from the main line. So the main line was just this straight part that goes straight ahead of us. So this is the side track. And I guess to work this, all you did was yanked on it, turned it the other ways. There's some cool stuff. I'm going to walk down to this bridge real quick. All right, so I'm on the bridge here, and you can see this is still holding up fairly well. I think they would have to replace a couple of these trusses if they decided to run trains over them again. And then we got the creek running down below us here, coming from the mountain. Dumps into the Pend Orielle River. So I'll walk across here. Get you a shot of the downside. Well, that's kind of neat. It looks like the rocks were like cut or something. Or maybe they put like a diversion there to make it go around that rock. I don't know, it looks really smooth and cut off down there. It's kind of interesting. I'm going to be a rebel and walk across this. Woo, that's a little soft. Maybe not. Okay, a couple of those were kind of soft. I'm walking over here now on the solid stuff. Changed my mind there. No harm, no foul. It was just a little soft. Okay, so we're down in Ione's park here, and this is the Pend Orielle River. Real nice view of the river here. Good fishing spots all along the river. They got a little dock here. And they've got like this inlet here. And they have a boat launch over here, along with a dock. Right now we're getting the cottonwood blowing through here now. It looks like snow falling, kind of neat. But here's the dock here, and the boat launch is like right next to it there. So you can launch a boat into here, fish out. So they got a nice little park here. You can bring your food down here, go picnic, chill in the park. Plenty of covered spaces for when it starts to rain like it's starting to do now. Plenty of places for your kids to come hang out and do kids things. And then they have like a little basketball court over here. So pretty neat. Well guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I'm out here still dealing with this this cottonwood snowstorm. Hope you guys enjoyed the look at Ione. And if you did, make sure to like the video and share it with your friends. And also, the big one, subscribe to the channel, man. What are you waiting for? Lots of good stuff on the way, man. And as always, guys, adventure on. And I'll see you in the next video.